Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to create and use the pivot tables for different types of calculations like sum, average, percentage. Let's begin. This is my data, I prepared it for you. Here when I'm creating my data and selecting it, it is not in a table format. What will happen? Anytime I'm updating my data, it will not calculate again automatically. Now, first of all, I will tell you what it means. See, for this data, I'm going to insert a pivot table and creating a new pivot. And for example, now I am adding my revenue in this one, and you can see the value here is 113 point something. It is, like that one. Now, if I'm going to add any in my data, any values at the end, you need to know. See here, for example, this data I'm going to add in more. It is selecting up till this data. Now how we will see it now? I'm going to the data and I'm going to refresh. It's not changing anything, it's similar. Now if I'm going to change the data, I will go to pivot table analyze and change source. You can see it is selecting my data up till this 1049. Now I have my data up till 59. So I'm going to update now and then the impact will come automatically here. Otherwise it will not. What is the second method to do this one? I will tell you how to do this one. I'm, for example, now deleting this data back to the same data, and here what I'm going to do it, I'm selecting all my data and insert table. Okay, and table name is data 1. Now, what it will help me? It will help me anytime I will add my data, it will automatically make for me updates as well. Insert, and now I'm not going to highlight my data. I'm just going to my pivot. You can see it's disabled now table. Pivot is data 1, it is automatically table range is this one. Okay, and it is here now. And I'm going to make it order date and then revenue here. And now when I'm coming, you will see here I will, for your information, I will write the value here and we will see what impact will come here. You will see here now what I will do. I will just, for example, now copy and paste here. You will see here earlier I have added my all data here. Until from here to here I added. For example, now what I'm going to do, I just want to tell you this one. For example, this information, see, whenever I'm adding, I just want to show you this thing. That whenever I'm adding any point, it will automatically updating your values. This one I want to show you. So you don't have to do anything by manual. So automatically data will be updated. You can see here a small portion is here, this at this heart. It is showing us that it is a table now. Okay, now I'm going to remove it and I'm going to my table here now. So this is my data And what type of calculations we can do, we will learn it here now. It's very easy and unique method. And this is available in Excel. You can see it here. This is some value which I have done it. Now I am going to make it average. Just come and add here and just right click and go to the field settings, and here you have the option average. Just one click, the average is available with you now. Next is I will insert some more. Next is I'm looking at how many numbers. Just right click, view field settings and count. Okay, and now I want to make my count in the start. I will just drag my information from here to up. See, count. That how many number of transactions are there in 2018. It is showing 221. In 222, 35 as of now. Okay. What is further we can do? I am going to insert. Just right click, view value field, and you can have these number of options which you can use it. Now I will show you something else as well. Show value as. For example, I am looking at what is the difference of this one in percentage by grand total. Percentage of grand total, I will write here as well, percent of grand total. So it is automatically calculating for you the percent of grand total. It is calculating from here, not from here, not from the parent. So we will see that how we can do that one as well. I'm going to insert one more time revenue here, and now right click, view field setting, show value as, bring it down, and you can see here percent of parent raw total, percent to parent raw. Okay, now you can see it's a percent to. See, it is showing me quarters now here, but I want to change it. How I will change it? I will go to my groups. Instead of quarters, I will just control and click the mouse. Quarters will go, years and month will remain. You can see now it is this. Further, what we can do? I will add more table here. You can drag any of the information what you are looking for. View field, show value as, come here, parent column, difference from. So difference from the previous month. For example, what is my difference from the previous month? Or next, even though you can do. Or up to you that you are which year you are looking to select. I'm selecting previous. Okay. See here now. It is showing me here in the end value total. If we want to make change here, we will go back here. Here we will choose the month. Okay, because it is selecting the previous year. So it is not, we don't have any previous year here. So it is not, it is calculating as it is the current year. And again, you can see it here, the months are available. So I will come and I will see here the revenue, ship date, ship mode, year, and all this one is available. Now I'm, for example, now I'm looking a running total. Even though I can make the percentage wise. Okay, you can see here it is giving me the percentages even though. Now for example, I'll include some more here, one column more, and I will do the calculation for you. Go to field setting, and I will see here difference from, and there should be a one is percentage running total in value, running total. You will see here it will give me the numbers, but if I will go, I need in percentage, I can just go click here, show value, and I will go to, instead of running total in numbers, I can choose percentage total. Okay, now I will put it here. I will change the heading in percent running total. Now you can see it's in running total percentage. Now we will see what option else is available. Right click, value, show value as, I'm looking the ranking from largest to smallest. Ranking. Ranking. Okay, it will give me the ranks that where this month is falling are equal, ranking 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it by value, everything is there, which is highest value, which is lowest value, everything, ranking is available. You can do it very quickly. You don't have to use so many formulas, count if, this, that, you don't have to. So these are some examples. You can put it largest to smallest even though in the years, it is giving you that one. Field setting, come back here and choose it from here. What else you are looking for? Difference percentage we calculated. Parent, parent row we have done it. Column total and running total we have done it. Differences from we have done it. Okay, so these are the mostly used items which we have done it. You have to make the practice. I will attach this Excel sheet on my YouTube link as well. You can download from my website, and if you have any queries you can message me on my WhatsApp as well, and I will get back to you. Thank you very much.